back to my channel Shine Bright. So today I'll be talking about Dove products. Yes, so it includes Dove body wash, shampoo, conditioner and soap. So let me tell you that I'm a very big fan of this brand since a very long time. It is one of my favorite brands since it offers products that are really very mild and suitable for both your hair and skin. I will be talking on both negative and positive points so that it gives you a clear picture whether to go for these products or not. So Dove has always come up with a brand picture that reflects mildness. So is it really mild? I will also talk about. So let's get right into the video. So I got a giant pack of this body wash from Nykaa. I'll mention the link in the description box. So it says that it provides deep nourishment to your skin as it contains nutrient moisture, and this is an 800 ml pack which costs rupees 349. Moving on to the consistency of this product, so it is a bit was thinner side which makes it easier to apply all over the body. The soap comes in a cardboard box like this. So I got this from a local market and it's very easily available anywhere. The price is not mentioned here because I bought a pack of 3 of 100 grams each and it costs rupees 155. So both the body wash and soap claims to keep your skin soft and supple. So does it really work? A big yes. So both these body wash and soap are really very moisturizing. When you get out of the shower, you will not have that drying effect and you might not require any kind of body lotion or moisturizer. Usually I see other body washes and soaps drying out your skin when you get out of the shower. It doesn't happen the same with these two. The body wash has a very mild fragrance which is very refreshing. On the other hand, the Dove soap doesn't have that much of fragrance or anything. So that is the only difference between these two. Both work same in terms of moisturizing the skin, but there is a difference in the fragrance. This is way more refreshing. So after using these products for a very long time, one thing that I have noticed is there is a difference in the texture of my skin. So the texture of my skin has really improved a lot and my skin glows. I use the soap on my face and it works far better than any face washes. It's not like the face washes doesn't work or something. All I'm saying is that I have a pretty sensitive skin, so this works great on my skin. And I even tried using face washes, but I ended up with breakouts and many such skin problems. So this has always worked for me. So the shampoo which I have with me is of 180 ml and 180 ml costs rupees 110. So it's pretty affordable. Now let's have a look at its consistency. So it's of medium consistency, neither too thick nor too thin. It has a pearly appearance. I usually mix it with water and then apply to my hair. This conditioner is a 175 ml pack and it costs rupees 190. So the consistency is bit towards thinner side, as you can see. It spreads very easily. So the consistency is such that each and every strands of your hair gets covered. So firstly I'll be talking about this conditioner. So I have been using this from past 7 years and it has never disappointed me. So in between I tried switching to some other conditioners but have always ended up ruining my hair, and it has always come up for me as a save. I am just in love with this conditioner. It does what it claims. It does tame the frizziness of your hair to a great extent. The shampoo has also acted as a savior whenever I have damaged my hair due to heat or pollution. It does repair your hair from the very first wash. It is very moisturizing, so you will have comparatively less split ends. So let's talk about the cons of this product. Definitely all these Dove products are amazing because it works great for your skin, for your hair, but it has lots and lots of chemicals. It has parabens, but I'm a person who is not into much of Ayurvedic products because it doesn't suit me. So you can make your choice accordingly. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there are a lot more things coming up for you all. Like and share, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I come up with a new video you get notified.